fuel pump's bad on the Jeep. It's not sucking any more fuel, so let's go see what Pops has to say.
Do I look like I eat jelly beans? Huh? Va fango, will you? Will you? And this is no soliciting on the sign outside. You know? You're a little big to be playing with f***ing jelly beans! You're taping? Well, how do you know it's bad?
Well, I checked. You know, I checked.
How?
Look, I took the hose off the carburetor.
Right,
here,
right.
And I cranked it, and no gas was coming out.
And you cranked it for a while?
Yeah, I cranked it for a while.
Fuel pump.
That's how I know the fuel pump is.
That fuel
toast.
pump is original. That might be from World War II. Like
I wouldn't doubt it.
So,
I really wouldn't doubt it.
you know what you do? We have a whole bunch of them universal ones, those electronic fuel pumps. Why don't you go grab one? Make it electric.
Okay. Yeah.
Electric fuel pump. Put it onto the coil wire. It'll be, you know, as soon as you put the ignition on, it'll start sending gas, and you will never have another problem. I'm surprised that thing worked this long. The original. Go grab one.
Right.
Let's
Where is it?
put it together. It's on the shelf in the storage room.
Got it.
Go ahead.
I got it right here.
Well, that's it. You need a Phillips head. You need a flathead, a cut plier, a rake. Oh! You don't need a rake. You got two clamps. You got to take the clamps off. You got to wire this up. K&N, baby.
All right.
Let's see. What does it come with?
All right.
It's a good kit. I think they got like 5 pounds, something like that. But that's all you need for carburetors.
Yeah, that's it.
Unless you got like a bus, you might need something a little heavier.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, okay. It comes with a lot of
All right.
stuff. Let me see. All right, you got nuts and bolts. You got to drill a hole. This is your filter. This goes on the inlet. And look for the arrow. And then you got your exit, and that goes right in between, literally where the other one is.
Okay. Yeah.
But not there. It's going to go up here.
Yeah, it's gonna go right here. Look.
Right up on the side there. Did you mark them?
They're marked. Yeah.
You marked them? All right. Drill a hole here. You hit them with a punch too, right?
And with the punch. Yeah.
Go ahead. Knock it out.
It's done.
Drill a hole there. All right, now get the fuel pump.
It's still good. What jelly you
Get
got
the
in there?
bolt. I got Ruzel in my hair. I feel good, bro.
Good.
Can't wait for tomorrow.
Wow, it's tomorrow.
You don't even know.
You get better looking by the day.
Smart ass. That's my line. I was supposed to finish that.
All right. Now we wire it up. Last thing, you
bolt it in
on.
so it doesn't dance
You know
around
why?
on you. No, bolt it up.
All right.
Bolt it up. It's easier. This way it stays. It holds. Like my Ruzel hair. All right, that's one. Put the other one
Here,
in.
you put this nut in.
All right, hold on. Turn it.
All right, now we're gonna put the hose that goes to the carburetor to the fuel pump. We're gonna put that on.
Did you put the one that goes from the tank?
Yep. Put it on.
There you go. You got it on?
Yeah.
This is a temporary setup. Once you go inside,
I'm gonna.
because I don't know, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Perfect. Now, see this wire? You're supposed to put a fuse here. From the ignition to here, you put a fuse this way. If something goes wrong, it burns the fuse out, not anything else. But temporarily, right now, I'm just gonna wire it up directly because it looks like it's gonna rain right now, and I gotta get this thing inside. Then I'll worry about then. But we're gonna just do this directly, just temporarily. That's all. All right. So I got some wire. I usually save the wiring harnesses of junk cars for this reason. So we're gonna connect this. I put a male end on this, right? We're gonna plug it in.
You mean for like temporary stuff? Usually you just kind of rig it together.
I can start already feeling raindrops, but for now.
Yeah, because once you get inside, you'll do it right. You put the fuse link on there, and that's that.
For now, it's good. Real quick. Now we're gonna see if it starts up.
Get the air out the best way. There you go, look. See all the gas. All right, shut it off. Go. Here's some gas, kick. Up. All right, now we can move it out of the way. That's it. All right, shut it off. That's it, you're good.
All right, sounds like a brand new Cadillac now. So we eliminated the old fuel pump. See, now he's got the electric one. So now I'm going to bring it inside, put a fuse link on it, and we're ready to hit the road.
That's it. Cleanup time. Let's do it. Taking over the world.